I've been trying to find some mounts for my tablets because I use tablets for all my navigation. And every time I get a mount, it's just like, man, it just don't work. I'm going like, really? Have you ever bought a product online and tried to get it to work and it just doesn't work? It is so frustrating. It's something that you really need, you're going to depend on, and then when the time comes that you really need it, it just doesn't work. It's just unbelievable, some of the products. They're not made very well. And every time I get a mount, it's just like, man, it just don't work. I'm going like, really? Can't I find one that's like made out of something? So, plus I can't get it on my tablets, you know, because they won't clip to it. So they have those that clip in, and you know, I'll show you one that we tried, and it was like this, and you sprung it out like this, and it's supposed to fit, but it never did. You just couldn't get the tablets in it. So check these mounts out. These are made by iNavX. They go right on a 1-inch rail, no problem, even bigger. They have anodized nuts that I actually don't strip out the first go around. And then they slide into the tablets. So the tablet, you get this case that the tablet fits in. As a matter of fact, this one is like IP65, so this one is submersible. This is for my iPad. The one from my other one, it's a Tab 7, A7. It's a little bit older, but they didn't have one that was submersible. But I do have a glass screen protector on it. And I run my Navionics on one side and my radar on the other side. But the cool thing about it is when you want to go, you don't have to undo a bunch of stuff. You just flip this little lever here, and then this whole thing will just come out. Kathy, can you hold this and I'll show them how to get it out?
Sure.
So you just take and you flip this little lever, and then this will actually come off. And then you just take your tablet with you. And then when you come back, and they have a kickstand also that goes on and all that. And you just put it back in and it snaps. I mean, it's so sturdy. Check it out. I mean, this thing is sturdy. So if you guys are looking for anything to hold a tablet, you know, when you're boating and you really want it to do what it's supposed to do, try out iNavX. And they're not overly expensive either. They're about $60. And if you get some other little goodies, then, you know, it might cost a little bit more, but because I got shoulder straps and all that stuff with them, but they look really well, and that X docking system is really cool. So, man, this is a game changer for navigation.
Next episode on Dreamweaver SV.
So today we're going to be installing what's called the Garhauer Easy Guide System. So a couple of things you get here.